This video is for training purposes only. It is prohibited from being copied, distributed, or shared. The concepts, statistics, and ideas do not necessarily represent those of World Financial Group and Transamerica Financial Advisors.
Hey guys, hopefully you watched the segment on the compensation and how I explain a simple compensation on a one-on-one basis. Here's the additional part of that I think that you need to bring into the one-on-one, and it gives them a little bit different aspect or idea, and it helps you solidify them in where they want to be in the process. And it's called Tic Tac Toe. And I think you'll see why I call it Tic Tac Toe here in a minute. But after I've shown them that, the $200 a month saving for 12 months, and then being able to get a given commission rate and what that would generate for you, I basically say this: here's where you can be with us, and this is why I think you're going to see I call it tic-tac-toe. So let's draw basically a tic-tac-toe line. And what I say is, listen, there are really three positions in our firm. There's basically a referral partner, which is somebody who's basically going to just get a license with us, and then perhaps just refer some people over to us, maybe on a weekly or a monthly or maybe bi-monthly basis. Whenever they run into somebody, bump into somebody, they're looking for a little bit of additional income. That's a referral partner. You're talking maybe 25%, as a training associate. So you'd be a training associate here, right? And what you're looking at is basically generating $1,000 to $2,000 a month if you're able to refer people on a consistent basis, okay? Then we've got a part-timer, right? So this person is part-time. That's more like a 45% contract level, and that's really like one of a senior associate slash MD level. Now you're looking at probably, in this case, if you're a part-time person, let me back up for a minute because I forgot to tell you, this is pretty much 0 to maybe 5 hours worth of work. And part-time, you're looking at probably 10 to 20 hours worth of work. And here you're looking at anywhere between maybe $3,000 to $5,000 part-time. And we've got people doing that all across the United States and Canada part-time right now. So we've got the other category, the full-timers. These are people who are going to be doing this full-time. This is what they're doing. These guys are an SMD level. This is a 65% contract level. And you're looking at 40 hours plus, okay? And you're looking anywhere between, $7,000 to $10,000 and up, right? So I should have drawn like that, and up. So that all depends on you. And here's what I tell people: I've drawn this for the prospect, and I've said, where do you see yourself fitting in here? Which one is more likely to be implemented in your life? Which one do you think you feel comfortable with? Those are key things that you need to be able to ask these guys. You're asking them questions. Where do you see yourself here? And then you let them tell you where they see themselves. And so if they tell you, I'm more of a referral partner, this is where I think I need to be. By the way, all of these are licensed positions. I think I need to be more of a referral partner. Well, then you say, great, that's great. Let me tell you what that's going to entail, okay? And then you give them the referral partner or silent partner worksheet that's on our website, and you show them what that's going to entail, what they can expect of you and what you can expect of them. Now, same thing with the part-timers. If somebody says I'm part-time, that might be somebody you want to work with. If somebody says, hey, I see myself as a full-timer, putting in 40 hours plus, going after it, making it happen, that's when you say, great, I'm going to work with you. We're going to go straight to the top of this company, and we're going to make some big things happen. And so let them tell you where they want to be in this grand scheme of things, and that will help you identify who you need to work with. Because you don't need to work with everybody. You need to work with those who are committed. Don't worry about potential. Everybody's got potential. You work with commitment. Okay, guys? This is going to help you identify that, and it's going to help them pick a spot. A lot of times if people are on the fence and they say, I'm not quite sure, you put this in front of them and say, which one do you see yourself doing? And they say, I see myself doing that. Well, they've already bought in at that point. They've said, I see myself doing this. That's a lay down from there. You can take it from there, get them coded, get them in the business, and get them fast started. All right, guys? Use this tic-tac-toe. It's going to be beneficial to your business. Study it like always, and make sure you know it in and out. All right, guys? I'll talk to you later.